Welcome back to another episode of Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. Today we are checking the transmission fluid on a 2015 Dodge Caravan. This transmission is a 62 TE. It is a 6-speed. It doesn't come with a dipstick, so you will need a measuring chart.
And you like the video, or Monster come and get you. You don't like the video.
Yeah, Monster gonna come get you if you don't like the video. So you're gonna need a dipstick tool, a way of seeing the transmission data, a fluid extractor, and you're also gonna need a chart like you seen in the previous screen. Also subscribe and like and share. Let's get to it. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. Today what we're doing is showing you how to check the fluid on a 62 TE transmission. That's a Chrysler Dodge product. And it's a 6-speed transmission, and you gotta have a special tool to check it, which is simply just an aftermarket dipstick or an aftermarket tool that looks sort of like such that you use to check the fluid. Give me 1 second to get my light in place, and I'm going. I'll bring the camera over here. What we're going to be going for here. Let me lift this up. Take this right here. Shove the camera right on down here. Let's see. Alright. It sits in a crazy location. It sits right up underneath this wiring harness right here. Y'all see that down there? Right there in the center of the screen. So that's the cap that you're gonna go after. Alright. Once you remove that, you crank up the vehicle, let it run for 2 minutes and get the scanner plugged up. Today we're using the Automotive Nexus Mini. So inside the 2015 Caravan, you're going to get a temperature reading of your transmission. We are at 147 degrees right now. So the object is to measure fluid at a certain temperature. And we may be a little bit too hot right now, but it may be a reading for it on the 62 TE chart here. All right, and we're at 147 degrees. So the minimum it should be on the fluid level stick at 147 degrees. It should be right at 24 millimeters. 24 millimeters right here. 144, so it should be at 24 millimeters. And it should be between that and roughly 36. Between 24 and 36. All right, let me show you this. Come on closer real quick. Let me show you what this stick looks like. Stick has numbers on it. I'll show it better at the end. Let me see what the temperature is. Make sure I'm sitting inside it. We're at 149 right now. We're moving up a little bit. So let's say about 150. So we should be at 24 and 40, between 24 and 40. My hands aren't working. I'm getting over a paronychia. So the transmission needs to be in drive to get an accurate reading. Got it in drive. So we're at 151 now, and about 150 we need to be between 24 and 36. You may have to remove some of the transmission fluid from the transmission, and you do so by using a fluid extractor through the dipstick tube. Don't do reverse, neutral, and drive. All right, cut it off.
Slide now. Like the video Encore.